A good security camera should protect your home, not give you blurry footage and monthly subscription headaches. So please watch this video till the end, because today I'm counting down the top 5 best outdoor security cameras, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which camera system is the best overall choice for your home security setup. I'll cover the features, video quality, and biggest advantages of each model to help you choose the right system. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. eufyCam S3 Pro. Starting off the list is the eufyCam S3 Pro add-on camera. This wireless outdoor security camera features 4K video recording, max color night vision, built-in solar charging, and AI-powered face recognition. It also includes built-in local storage with no required monthly subscription fees. Review highlights. This camera delivers very sharp video quality during both daytime and nighttime recording. The max color night vision helps maintain better image detail and color clarity compared to many standard security cameras. The solar panel also helps reduce maintenance by keeping the battery charged automatically. Pros: sharp 4K video quality, excellent night vision performance, solar-powered convenience, no monthly subscription required. Number 4. eufy 4G LTE S330. The eufy Security 4G LTE Cam S330 is designed for locations where traditional Wi-Fi may not be available. It supports both 4G cellular and Wi-Fi connectivity while offering 4K video recording, solar charging, and AI tracking. The camera also includes a SIM card and 32GB SD card in the package. Review highlights. This camera is especially useful for remote properties, farms, construction sites, RV storage, or vacation homes where internet access is limited. The pan and tilt functionality helps improve coverage, while the solar charging system helps keep the camera running continuously with minimal maintenance. Pros: works with 4G LTE and Wi-Fi. Excellent for remote locations, 4K recording quality, AI tracking, and pan and tilt support. Number 3. aosu wireless camera system. Coming in at number 3 is the aosu wireless outdoor security camera system. This setup features true 2K HD recording, wide 166-degree viewing angles, motion alerts, spotlight and siren functions, and support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. It also avoids monthly subscription fees. Review highlights. This wide viewing angle helps cover larger areas with fewer blind spots, making this system practical for driveways, garages, and front yards. Motion alerts feel responsive, and the spotlight plus siren combination adds an extra layer of active security against unwanted activity. Pros: wide 166-degree field of view, dual-band Wi-Fi support, spotlight and siren features, no subscription fees. Number 2. eufy SoloCam S340. The eufy Security SoloCam S340 is a premium solar-powered outdoor camera featuring a dual camera system, 3K resolution, and full 360-degree pan and tilt coverage. It also includes built-in storage with no monthly fees required. Review highlights. This camera stands out because of its dual camera system, which improves zoom capability and overall property monitoring. The 360-degree coverage helps reduce blind spots, while the solar-powered design keeps maintenance minimal. Video clarity is impressive, and the tracking features work smoothly during motion detection events. Pros: dual camera security system, full 360-degree coverage, solar-powered convenience, excellent video clarity. Number 1. aosu Wireless 4-Camera Security Kit. Taking the top spot is the aosu Outdoor Wireless 4-Camera Security Kit. This system includes 4 solar-powered cameras with 360-degree pan and tilt functionality, auto-tracking, 2K color night vision, and easy wireless setup. Like several other premium systems on this list, it also avoids monthly subscription costs. Review highlights. What makes this system stand out is its complete home coverage and overall value. The 4-camera setup provides strong security coverage for larger homes and properties, while the auto-tracking system helps monitor movement more effectively. The color night vision also improves nighttime visibility, helping identify people and vehicles more clearly in low light conditions. Pros: complete 4-camera security system, 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, solar-powered operation, color night vision, and auto-tracking. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, smart features, coverage, ease of use, and overall value, the aosu Outdoor Wireless 4-Camera Security Kit is the best overall outdoor security camera system on this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.